guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. And for today's video po, naghalongkat po tayo ng mga baby pics or throwback pictures. Samahan niyo po ako, papakita ko po yan sa inyo. This one is my, wait lang guys, first birthday. Yan po. First birthday ko po yan. Dito po yan sa bahay guys. Yan po. First birthday party. Then, the next one is my 4th birthday! OMG! Ngayon ko lang po siya nahanap. Yan po, 4th birthday. Cute ko pala dyan. And this one is nung nag-6th birthday po ako sa school. Yan po, with my classmates and with my advisor. Next one, yan po yan. Cute ko po pala dyan. And the next one is nung nag-recognition day kami sa school. Yan. Cute! Ngayon ko lang po siya nakita kasi. And then this one is nutrition month yata to. Yan. Apple. Tapos po, ito pa po. With my advisor. Dami kong nakalungkat na mga baby pics, guys. Yan siya. This one pa. Yan. Grabe naman yan. Cute. With my advisor, Ma'am Pasita. Tapos nalaglag. This one. Nutrition month yan, guys, eh. Cute. Ito pa. OMG. Cute. And this one is, ano yan? Ano yung tawag doon? United Nation Parade, guys. Miss Mexico. Miss Mexico. Yan. First time ko po to na experience mag-UN, guys. First experience. Hindi na po yan sundan. This one is my good friend, Lake Jansen Tiberio, nung kinder po, and my crush. Oh, crush! Cute! This one pa po. Yan. This one, cute, guys! And this one, nung namasyal kami nung Luneta Park, ako dyan yata. Mga 3 or 4. 3 yata, guys. Di ko na po tanda. This one pa. Luneta Park. Cute! This one. Cute. And then, guys, eto guys, pinag-pictorial ako. Ano po to? Christmas. My 3rd Christmas po yata yan. Ang cute! This one is my photos of my first kindergarten in barangay. With the uniform. Cute! This one is pictorial din, guys. Ang cute! This one. This one pa. Yan, mga pictorial lang po yan sa house. Yan. Ito po sa hagdanan po namin yan. Ano ba? Cute. This one. Cute! And this one, guys, etong picture na to is, tag dito, 2 years old pa lang ako nito, pero napaka-cute ko. Oh. Cute! And this one, guys. Dumalaw po kami yan sa North Cemetery, guys. Yan. And this one, guys, yung picture po na to is my storya. Kasi po, yung picture na po na to, yung nasa gilid ko po na teddy bear or yung monkey po na teddy bear is bigay po yan sa akin ng mother ko. Yan. Cute! Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating throwback picture and see you on my next vlog. Bye!